Are you a new RV owner and you're concerned that you may need a solar hookup? You hear many people say, oh, you need some kind of solar hookup for your camper. Do you really? Stick around and I'll let you know. When we got our first camper, I was concerned that we needed a solar hookup. I had panel envy. Everybody's like, oh, if you're going to go boondocking, if you're going to camp off grid, you have to have some kind of solar setup. But you really don't, and here's why. Your battery will give you enough energy to last you 2 days, 3 days, depending on how much you use it. You can have portable chargers that hook up your cell phones and other devices. Those are easy and simple to recharge, or they hold a good enough charge to keep you up and running on your electronic devices while you're out camping. A lot of people prefer to unplug when they go camping. I know I'm fixing to go out for a week by myself, and I will probably turn my cell phone off. It will at least be on silent. All of my work messages will be muted, and only my emergency contacts will be able to get a hold of me. And that's okay. So I should not need to charge up my phone every day. Therefore, the Jackery that we have should last me a few days. I am in no way 100% against solar. You can see in this video where I created a little solar charger for our Jackery to use for tent camping or anything else. I would go bigger if I needed that to charge faster. We have a solar hookup on our camper that I could put an inverter on and get solar panels and put anywhere on that rig. I haven't done so. Here's why. We don't camp enough to invest in the solar. We go out 2 or 3 days at the most and we come back. That is enough for our battery to run our lights in our camper, our hot water heater, and anything we need. We can even charge our devices, and we have plenty of electric to last us that 2 or 3 days. Solar can get expensive, and you may not know exactly what you need. I know I'm not 100% sure of what I need, but if I look online, there's people willing to sell me any and everything just to get a little bit of sunshine into my battery. So if you do want to go solar, you need to do your homework, figure out how much you actually need to recharge the batteries we're going to use. We have one battery. We could use 2 batteries, and that would extend us even longer than the 2 or 3 days that we use. With solar panels, we could boondock for a week or more if needed. We could camp off grid if needed, no problem. But you also have to consider the price. How much is too much? How much is not enough? If you're familiar with this channel, you know I love trying to find things on a budget. And to be honest with you, a lot of the things that I find on these budget websites would not be enough for what you need for your camper. So you would need to step it up. And the best advice I could give you is to do your homework. It doesn't matter if this guy is saying he's got an affiliate link with these solar people, or these people say this works best for them. It may not work best for you. So dig into it and see how many appliances do you want to use. Do you want to use air conditioning? If you do, it's a whole nother ball game, right? There's a lot more to it than just adding solar. So you want to be sure you do your homework so you don't spend a bunch of money on something you don't need, or you're out there thinking you're going to get powered up and you're not. So we know a lot of people that are full-time campers or 3/4 campers that camp a lot. A lot of these folks do check out BLM land, Bureau of Land Management. They go boondocking in other places. They use things like RV Overnights, link in the description, or Harvest Host, or any other apps where they can go and stay somewhere where they needed to provide their own electricity, hookups, everything. And that's cool. I'm just saying that if you are a part-time or sometime camper like we are, seriously consider, do you really need the solar or do you not? Going solar does have its advantages. You don't have to worry about finding a hookup anywhere for your electricity. You can run things that you need when you're stopping alongside of the road, staying at a Cracker Barrel or somewhere overnight. But did you know this? When you hook up your camper to your tow vehicle, the battery is being recharged off of your tow vehicle's battery. So therefore, your battery isn't draining while you're traveling. So if you need to run the refrigerator, as long as it's a 3-way, a 2-way where it runs off of your battery, you're good. You can drive all day. It doesn't matter how far you go, your battery's still going to work. The tow vehicle is still going to charge your battery if it needs to be charged. So let us know down in the comments, if you're a part-timer or some-timer like us, do you feel that you need solar? If you do, what kind of hookup do you have so others can learn from you? On the flip side, if you're a full-timer, do you have solar? If not, do you think you need it? If so, let us know what you have down in the comments so someone could learn from you. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel.